Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your needs. In today's review, we're looking at the Blue Wave BWC 964 Gold 15-year 20 FT x 40 FT rectangular in-ground pool winter cover. If you're on the hunt for the best 20 by 40 pool covers for in-ground pools, this one should definitely be on your radar. This cover is built to last with an impressive 15-year warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing your pool will be protected year after year. It's made from durable polyethylene material, offering a robust defense against the harsh elements of winter. The polyethylene fabric is known for its strength, and with a 14 by 14 scrim count, this cover is both strong and resistant to wear and tear. One of the standout features of this cover is its size. Meant for 20 by 40 pools, the cover itself measures 25 by 45 feet, which ensures a secure fit over your pool. With a 5-foot overlap, you won't have to worry about stretching or ripping when you secure it. This extra material ensures that the cover stays snug, even when exposed to strong winds or other harsh weather conditions. Securing the cover is made easy with the integral cover loops that help attach the water tubes. Speaking of water tubes, this cover requires 16 8-foot tubes to keep it in place. These tubes are specifically designed to hold the cover tightly, preventing it from shifting or blowing away during stormy weather. Another important consideration when choosing a pool cover is the protection it offers against debris and contaminants. The Blue Wave cover helps prevent the buildup of leaves, dirt, and other debris, which can be a hassle to clean out when it's time to open the pool again. It also keeps your pool from freezing over in colder climates, which is essential for preserving the integrity of the pool and its equipment. When it comes to installation, it's a breeze. The cover comes with a drawstring closure, which ensures that it fits securely and stays in place throughout the winter months. This added feature makes it easy to adjust the cover and ensures that no water or debris can seep into your pool. In terms of durability, the Blue Wave BWC 964 is a top contender. Its sturdy construction and heavy-duty material are designed to withstand the elements year after year. Whether you're dealing with heavy snowfall or freezing temperatures, this cover is built to protect your pool and prolong its lifespan. At a price point of around $182, this cover provides exceptional value for the level of protection it offers. While there are cheaper options on the market, the durability and long-lasting features of the Blue Wave cover make it a wise investment for any pool owner looking to protect their in-ground pool. So if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use pool cover that will stand the test of time, the Blue Wave BWC 964 Gold 15-year pool winter cover is an excellent choice. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.